Wherever you go, wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. No matter how far, how broken you are, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. Hey, I don't know you, but I know you got tension in your neck. Stressed out, too addicted to your phone to go to bed. If that's you, then take a breath.
Nasaan na tayo?
Dito tayo ngayon sa ano guys, sa Northern Candang, Sound of Norte. Punta tayo ngayon ng Baguio City. Hey.
I got this feeling
So
inside my
ngayon,
bones.
nandito na kami ngayon sa
It goes electric, baby, when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul.
Dahil nasaan na tayo?
Feel that hot blood
Nasa
in my
Baguio,
body.
Mines
It drops.
Bar.
Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it. Moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it. So don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine.
So yan, another great day sa lahat po ng mga ka-business partner po namin. So day 1 night, dito kami ngayon sa bahay po na chinek-inan po namin dito po sa Baguio City. Alright! Let's go! Mr. Lee, nasan tayo?
Yan, so dito kami ngayon sa Baguio. At grabe ang lamig dito guys, sobrang enjoy. At ikaw, kung nakapanood ka sa video na to, sipagan mo talaga kasi bakit iba pag nasa dream chaser ka.
Air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason.
Hello guys! So good morning po sa lahat. So grabe, andito po tayo ngayon sa Baguio. Dito po natin ngayon and kami, papunta naman kami ngayon sa Labat. So grabe, abangan nyo na lang mamaya kung saan tayo pupunta.
I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it. Moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way.
Ayan, another cars, another day. Guys, dito kalamig sa Baguio. Actually, pakita mo ano kalamig. Ayan, grabe mo. So, grabe guys. Alamig. Hey.
Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Nandito kami ngayon sa Buso-Buso.
Nasaan tayo? Nasaan tayo?
Dito kami ngayon sa Baguio. Baguio City!
Hey! Sa night market ay
Bang bang!
hindi, papunta kami ngayon sa ano to?
So, yun guys, another day, another cars. Pumunta kami ngayon sa Toy Kingdom and sa Strawberry Mountain, south of Candang.
So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. That's how I feel it. Yeah. So keep dancing.
Morning po. Andito kami ngayon sa Baguio. Day 2 po namin dito ngayon. And syempre, kumbaga meron naman po kaming ibang pupuntahan po ngayon. Pupunta po kami ng Stone Kingdom. At the same time, pupunta po kami kagad ng Strawberry Farm. Kaya mamaya, first time din namin tong pumunta sa ganito. Kaya samahan nyo kami, parang kasabay tayo na mag-tour doon sa mga lugar na hindi pa namin napupuntahan. Kaya tara, samahan nyo po kami.
Everybody say. Feel it. Got this feeling in my body. Can't stop to feel it. Got this feeling in my body.
Ayun na. Ayun na.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. I can't stop the. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, yeah. I can't stop the.
Saan tayo?
Hello guys. So another day, another cars. We are here at La Trinidad Strawberry Farm Benguet. And now we were going next to Diplomat Haunted House. Here we go.
Trivia muna about sa ano, sa Diplomat.
Okay. So right guys, so next location Diplomat Hotel. So trivia. Ang Diplomat Hotel isa siyang dating hotel na haunted.
Let's go guys, day 3 in Baguio City.
Lagi, palagiwan ako ng milyon na walang gamit. Dahil siya, lumaba ka pangalan ng malandungin naman siya.
Cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight go by without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like you was running out. Live a life, we gotta scream it out.
Saan tayo?
Hello guys, so guys, grabe. Nandito kami ngayon sa the most haunted hotel in the Philippines. Nasa Diplomat Hotel tayo. Pakita natin. Ayan guys. Grabe.
Ano yung history? Ano yung history?
Yung history ito guys, meron dito yung mga madre, mga pare na ginahasa, pinatay, pinugutan ng ulo. Ay ngayon yung mga nagpaparamdam dito. Kaya ang daming tao pumupunta kasi gusto nila makakita ng multo na wala ka ng pera bukas. Aray ko.
Cause everything is different when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight go by without you. Don't you realize how lucky we
Ano yung mga naramdaman nyo?
Grabe. Ang dami. Naging ano talaga yung panahon ngayon. Talagang
Sobrang
nalalabasan ngayon.
Ang nararamdaman ko ngayon, wala akong pera.
Yung kamay ko nang ano nanulog. Sa akin naman yung ano, yung legs ko parang ayaw lumakan.
May ano ka? May arthritis. Ikaw?
Sobrang bigat ng pakiramdam ko.
Natatae. Ikaw?
Lahat ng meron ako na tumatayo.
Ito naman, nanginginig.
Ako naman guys, gabi, naghahanap din sila dito ng trabahador. 10K per day. Simple lang ang gagawin mo. Huhulihin mo lang lahat ng mga masasamang espiritu. Aray ka!
feel nothing's holding you up. Nobody holding you back from the life that you want. All your life you've been chasing a ghost. You gotta change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel, nothing's holding you up. Nobody holding you back from the life that you want. Live your life like you was running out. Live a life, we gotta scream it out. We gotta, yeah, yeah. Breathe it in and feel the rush again. You're not lost, no matter where you've been. We gotta, yeah, yeah. Oh, am I wrong? Thinking that we could be something for real. No, am I wrong?